Sandwich is king.
We are just wandering down to the sea. Hello, doggy. What the hell is that?
Chicken in a drink. Chicken in a drink.
High five! The first little view. Lovely. The first proper little view. Yeah.
It's bigger than my finger.
We're going to a cafe so you can do some editing, have some dinner, have a coffee or a shake or something like that. We said goodbye to Alfie and Zara last night, so if you're watching this, Alfie and Zara, it's been a pleasure. But the countdown's on to Japan now. We're in a diving school, a diving hotel. It's got diving in it. And I've asked if they want to do diving, if they can do diving. And they said, no, only trainees only. Am I not a trainee? We're going to Kong Caf or something, Caf Kong. He was behind us. Say morning to the vlog. Hello. Yeah, Coffee Kong. Coffee Kong. I want to sit upstairs with a view. Apparently you can see the sea. Hello.
Hello. Do I have a vegetable fried rice? Yes, ma'am. And the fried mandu?
Do I have a bacon, cheese and egg sandwich?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And yeah.
Can I get a bottle of water, please? Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a caramel macchiato.
Ice or hot?
Ice, please. Please be a view of the sea. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes?
Yes?
My sandwich is king.
Right then, we are just wandering down to the sea. Not sure what we're going to do here, to be honest with you, but we're just going to go have a look and see what the sea is like. Got new houses being built here. Some wood scaffold foundations. Hello, doggy. What the hell is that? I've never seen a butch sausage dog in my life. That looks like a Sharpie mix or something, doesn't it? Yeah. He's got like Oscar body, and his tail's like this old baby fan. That's a weird dog. You just say mixes of everything here. They're just all inbred dogs. I have no idea what's going on here. Where we are. Very strange area. There's a pier here. We'll go on the pier. We'll go on the pier, yeah? Imagine me in one of these. Imagine me in this one. It's not going to end well, is it? Oh, he's just fell over.
It actually moves so much, doesn't it?
Loads. Do a temperature check. 31 degrees. UV. Oh, it's only 2 UV.
No?
Strange. Strange. I wonder if you get poorly if you jump in there. Do you think? I also think it's not really the cleanest place we've ever been. Right, just
Chicken in a drink. Chicken in a drink.
we're gonna go climb a mountain. It's not really a mountain. Apparently it takes half an hour to get to the top from where we are right now, which isn't too far. So that's it up there. Takes half an hour from where we are. Suited and booted. Right, this is the first level of steps. This isn't even it, you know, this is just to get her. High five! Video! Vlog! Hello! This helped. Hello!
Any tricycle, sir?
No, thank you. No, thank you. Need a shower later. Oh, hot spring, a nice cool shower. Hot 2, 3, 4. Hot 2, 3, 4. Hot 2, 3, 4. Need one of these? Need a bite to go? That's cheating. That's cheating, man. What a food. So we're going up there. That's the start of it anyway. And I'm sure every 100 steps you get to, it says you're at 100 steps. There's the first little view. Lovely. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's not built a lift yet. Oh, 100. First stop. His legs are hurting, so we're just chilling. No rush for us. We're just past 300. It's only up there now. It's not that far. He's struggling a little bit, but we'll be fine. Not far now anyway. Look, it's literally there, babe. Right, this is the first proper little view. I think we'll just make it just for sunset. Enough time for us to relax to see the 15 minutes after. And we're off again. Struggling a bit, but she can do it. Managing? You can do it. And we're off again. 500. Not long. It's literally just a no rush at all. Relax. Nice little view of the city. Next little stop. Beautiful. Not the view, just this cold towel. Lovely. We're now coming up 600. And we've made it. Loads of people watching the sunset. 721. This is the view from east side, I think. They have the sunset with their east side view. Smile. Somehow there's a cat up here. There's a view to that side. I'm not sure what that side is, but there's the view anyway. And then we've just caught it. Almost perfect timing.
1 minute until it's done.
1 minute until the sunset. See, man, no rush. No rush at all. Here it is. Now we just need to find a little bit of a decent seat. And then we'll be alright. Everyone's silent, why is everyone so quiet?
I'm so red. So hello, I can talk now because I've got my breath back. I'm still resembling a tomato, but it's a lot cooler now the sun's gone and there's a breeze. But that's the end of the sunset. Kyle's flying the drone, so all the drone footage that I got, I'll put it in now.
Getting sprung on. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Yeah, I don't really know how long that took to get up, but I was taking videos on my phone, so I'll put on the screen now how long it took us to get up. And it was like 720 steps. And then a couple more just to like get around the back to like 730 steps maybe. But there's little seats and stuff, as you will have seen, where you can stop. And if you come in, please bring water, because you'll need it.
Right, we're done.
We should have went to the shop and bought a drink to have at the top.
Should we have?
Yeah.
Alcoholic Eve. Dude doesn't even drink. What's a drink?
No, I would have just got sparkling apple juice.
That's the last view that you'll see up here. We'll go look at the cross, because we're Christians. No, me claw! No! No! What do I do? Ready? Are we going back home or are we going out?
Simple things. How do you want to just go for tea now? It's so dark, I don't know if you're able to see. Oh, it's not the towel again.
No, again?
We're on the descent and we're gonna go to this Thai restaurant. That is meant to be really good. So it's called Oms, I think, actually, not Omi. Let's see. I'm so hot. I'm so sorry. I probably look disgusting on this video. Drink is more important. Oh, guess what you'll get here?
Thai tea.
Thai tea.
How much?
We've got Thai milk tea, 220. Thai iced tea, 180. Which one
Normally
is
it's the other way around.
Did you order for your tea?
Chicken cashew nut with rice, and that's it.
And I've got, well, we've got Thai spring rolls to share actually. And I went a bit raw. I went for a sweet and sour chicken. But I got the sweet and sour chicken because they said it was deep fried chicken, not like normal chicken, which will be nicer. And I went for a water and Coke Zero because I'm being healthy, no calories. What do you rate your viewpoint walk?
The viewpoint walk?
Yeah, the viewpoint walk, what would you rate it?
I thought it was a really good walk. Yep, it's good. For a viewpoint, like it was a really good viewpoint, maybe like an 8. For the wall, maybe like, it was a nice walk, but there wasn't much scenery on the way up.
Well, we're going to see a bit of the sunset, I suppose.
Like 1, 2,
yeah.
that was about like 5. It's kind of steep. It wasn't too long.
I would rate that experience. I'm going to go for an 8.5. It lost the 1.5 because I was struggling on the wheel. Kyle was videoing us when I was going up, but whether I put any of it in the video, I don't know, because I can guarantee it was not very nice. Have you ever seen spring rolls that are that big, please?
Well, not even finish them, I know what it means. Don't get a good roll, but I don't think it was it.
No, they are absolutely huge. Yeah, it comes with Thai sweet chili dip, which is the only dip you need when you're eating these spring rolls. Look at the size of that, please. It's like, it's bigger than my finger. It's bigger than my finger.
Me and Eve are back at the hotel now. We had some Thai food, which I showed you. That was alright. Not Thai food, is it? It's not like you're in Thailand, but it was nice. Now we're back and playing pool. It's an alright pool table. The stick's not too bad. The stick, the cue, but we just don't have a pocket on one of the sides.
Oh.
China, terrible. Your turn.
My turn.
the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.